Learn how to make cheese foam. This is a rich, savory, slightly sweet and salty dairy topping, typically used on matchas, fruit teas, milk teas, and some coffee drinks. To make the cheese foam, we're gonna use the cheese cream flavor powder from Boba. Also, we can use the salty cream flavored powder. B85 non-dairy creamer, heavy whipping cream, whole milk, or any milk of choice, fructose. To start, we're gonna use a scale and a blender. We're gonna turn it on. Use 120 grams of milk, 200 of heavy cream, 50 grams of creamer, and 60 grams of cheese foam powder or cheese cream flavored powder. And finally, 40 grams of fructose. Now we're gonna blend it. It's also very important to blend in low speed so you can check every now and then. Also, always try to scrape everything that's stuck on the walls so you don't have any lumps on your mix. Now we're gonna blend again, and in low speed we're gonna keep mixing. Now we're checking the texture, so it looks runny and it leaves some marks, and this means that it's almost ready, if you see. So we're gonna mix for 5 to 10 seconds more and we're gonna be done. Now that we're done, you can see the texture, that it's a little bit runny, not too runny. It's also very important to check that it's not over blended or too thick, because it can ruin the texture of your drink. And store it in the fridge in a container, preferably if you can seal it or it has a lid. And this would go to the fridge up to 1 or 2 days, depending on the conditions, or you can check on the texture as always. So when you pour it on, because of the thickness, it's gonna stay on top. As you can see, it's very creamy and velvety. You can buy all of these ingredients and supplies, like the spoons, on our online store.